not with anger, but with ideas. Declaring here, right here and now, the time has come for us to lead, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, for so many years, Mr. Speaker, we have been ignored, underestimated, treated like a passenger in a vehicle driven by folks who lost the sight of the road long time ago. Mr. Speaker, you are not the passenger. You are the fuel. You are the gas. You are the engine. If this country is going to reach its promised destination, if we are going to build a nation that is going to work for us, Mr. Speaker, then it is going to require the energy of young people standing out and saying that we are ready to lead this country, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I want to tell you, Mr. Speaker, if you envisage the phantasmagorious status of our economy, Mr. Speaker, you will deduce or prognosticate, Mr. Speaker, that the economy keeps diving, plummeting in an aqua of austerity, destitution, capital malady, and ramshackles, and cataclysmic prohaha, and a Mr. Speaker, the non-plus quagmire and discombobulated quandary is anachronistic and antediluvian mode operandi of the legislature. Mr. Speaker, let me be a little bit very simple, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, let me be a little bit simple, Mr. Speaker, so that some head honchos here, the snolligards, Mr. Speaker, the modus operandi, Mr. Speaker, can understand what I'm saying, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, if there is something that I believe, you can dress a system in the language of democracy, Mr. Speaker, pointing out to lofty speeches in a police stadium, Mr. Speaker. But if our young people cannot find a job in their own town, if we can't speak without fear in our own constituency, Mr. Speaker, if we can't get justice in our own country, Mr. Speaker, that democracy, Mr. Speaker, is a skin deep, Mr. Speaker. And today I'm saying, Mr. Speaker, because now I'm seeing the young people here, and the generation that is going to come up, the leadership that is going to come up, Mr. Speaker, is going to be the leadership of the young people, Mr. Speaker. That is why your care doctor, relax, your care doctor, Ed Oncho, a Cosmo Mentis from Oma Bay, Mr. Speaker, we are rallying behind Winnie Odinga as the next generation that is going to remove us from this paradoxical quagmire that we are in today to the next generation, Mr. Speaker. Care doctor, Oma Bay County.